Hello, breakfast this morning is my 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. Looks like I took it out when it was a little too not done, but it's all right. Once I heat it up, it's getting a little more done, kind of like that steak I got Monday night. Anyway, so seasonings, I'm going to put in the umami from Walmart. And I'm going to use that mesquite seasoning. I did post the recipe for how I made it. I went back and watched my other video from 3 years ago. That's how long this is, so if I die off, we know what's wrong. Anyway, so I want to get using that. So I'm going to put some of that in there just so that way it's, a good flavor. And like I said, I need to get rid of that. Let me see. Yep. And then my pickled veggies that I made. So I want to kind of use these up too. So that's what I'm having today. Lunch today is the California blend vegetables and it's 2 servings and 6 ounces of pork steak. I'm going to use this, like I said, I think it's some kind of a herb blend. I'm not using umami. I kind of like umami with beef. So, and I know I seasoned my pork steak when I made it, but anyway, so I'm putting a little of that in there, and I'll put a little of this everything bagel seasoning. And then I'm going to scoop the meat over to here. That way I can have the meat and veggies all in the same bite, because that's how I roll. Hold on. Well, I'll do that off camera. Hey, I gotta show you. I got my boots again, only they're in black. Hang on, I gotta see if I can reach the camera on my phone. Look, these are in black. So they got a heel, and these also have the pocket on the side. It's hard to see because it's black, but let's see if I can. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's the pocket. So yeah, I got them in black and brown. I can't buy just one of something. I gotta buy it in every color. Hang on, gotta fix my boots. But yeah, they were so fun and so cute. I just had to get 2 different pairs in the same color. But here's what we're wearing today. We're like I almost wore a jean jacket, but it was too big, so I had to order a new one. So we'll see if when it comes in. I just kind of felt like Sandra D in Grease with my black, and so I wanted a jean jacket to go with it, but instead I went with the cardigan. It's good enough. So I am at Applebee's. I'm going to get the 6 ounce top sirloin, and there's the information, and then I will also probably get some veggies. I'll see what I want. And I'm going to get 2 of the steamed broccoli. So I'm home. I did not get a chance to show you what I got. It was a 6 ounce sirloin and 2 servings of broccoli. So that's what I had along with water, and I plugged it in. So yeah, it was just an impromptu dinner with my friend. I haven't seen her in forever. So now I got to get my meat out for cooking this weekend. I actually went to Walmart yesterday. So this is the 4.5, where is it? Come on. It's 4.5 pounds of 93% ground beef. Now we got to get out stuff, because that'll be breakfast. That'll make enough for all my breakfast. So next we shift over to the lunches and supper. So this is a bunch of meat that I have, you see the yellow tag. So I'm going to, I can't do this through my camera, but this is where I put the steaks and stuff that I've bought recently. So I'll get some of these out, and then I'll probably have burgers as well. So let me work on figuring out what I'm going to pull out and then go from there. So this is what I'm going to set out is some T-bone steaks. I'll put that in there. I don't know what this stuff is, but I decided I need it. Stir fry. Let's see. Beef bottom round steak. I don't know if it's little shredded pieces. We'll find out. So 1 stir fry. This one is stir fry. So I bought it $7.22.22 because, they were all about to expire. This one is a ribeye steak. Looks like it's a thin ribeye. And this, I've got some premium pork ribeye chops. Boneless loin, pork loin, boneless ribeye chops. There's 2 of these. So that, and then like I said, this ground beef, I will have that for my breakfast. And then I'm going to let this defrost, and I will show it all you. I'll cook it all this weekend. Bye. Have a good night. Sorry I didn't show you my food, but you know what a steak and broccoli looks like. Bye.